video posted. I got the horses in the bag. That works every time.
So I guess we better go to the farm. Let's go.
Wow, look at that wild blueberry.
Let's. Yeah, so our garden's here.
Mm-hmm.
You have to pick the blueberries. What would have been grown here at different times of the property.
Huh.
This farm has been here for about 200 years.
Wow.
So the earliest stuff that would have been grown is the white fence. It's called the Republic era. And the, different things. We try to grow what they would have grown during that time.
Oh man.
They know what time it is. Look at these. Just like people, animals get on a schedule. They know when it's snack time. Look at that.
They're just eating stuff off the fence. Look at that, we're getting late. They're coming out. Sure. That's good.
You guys want to collect some eggs?
Sure. Okay.
Okay. So.
Is that one nice?
They don't want to. Sometimes they'll move. Oh, here we go. You guys want to collect
Oh,
it?
that
Go
one's
ahead.
moving too.
Go ahead.
That one's like a bluish.
Yeah.
Butt's still in.
You were gonna grab it? Don't be afraid.
Go ahead. She won't peck you. And if she does, I'll just move her out of there. She's not open.
Well, this one
Oh,
has a
butt's
lot of
still in.
eggs.
Yep. No, they lay about 1 egg a day.
I have 6 in here.
Yep. Go ahead and grab it.
Grab them.
And you
Yeah.
got chased by chickens.
Sometimes that can happen.
The heck is going on?
Look at
Go
all
ahead.
those
You guys
eggs.
can grab all of them. We still have a whole nother coop to do. So,
Oh, she's looking. Hi.
So as you can tell, all these
Noise.
eggs are different colors. Like we have some blue ones, some dark brown ones, and some white ones.
She's
So
watching me.
you see all the chickens and how they're different colors, like their feathers. They lay different colored shells, which is why you get the blue browns and all the different colors in there.
Why don't they sell the blue ones?
We do sell them. Where we get the dozen from is that chickens, like if one chicken lays an egg, they'll collect 12 of them in their nest.
Oh no.
So that's where we get a dozen from, and then they'll sit on them thinking they're gonna hatch. But because we collect them every day, they never get 12. So it's kind of like chickens always want 12 eggs. So that's why they lay one every single day. She won't bug you.
Her eyes. I can see into the chicken coop.
Yeah.
Dad, look. There's one up there. Where?
If you guys want to grab them, I don't know if I have room for all of these. I thought it'd be. There's a gate. Oh yeah, I have to catch them all the time. We had a fox out near where.
Oh my goodness, look how small.
So this little one here, the one that is getting up right now, she is the calf of River, the one that we just milked.
Oh wow.
And then this one here is the calf of Holly, the big brown Swiss on the end.
They look just like the mom.
Wait, which one?
Look. So this is to simulate the mom so
Yeah.
that they drink from it. Look.
It looks like it was crying.
You can mistake this one as something.
They like to lick, yep.
Can I pet him?
Right now they're in a stage where they're like very large puppies.
Ah, gosh. Is she gonna be as big as her mom? When
Will
you're...
be someday.
Oh my goodness. And I'm sure mom eats a lot.
Yes. Now we're up. You're not.
But look, she's drinking. See it?
She poured.
Look at that.
Why is he eating
They got an itch. Yeah, bug bite or something. She's always a little more lackadaisical when she's not super hungry. She'll get there because she knows that like this is her feeding time, but we'll leave them here and I'll go finish up the rest of my chores and come back and get them at the end. They'll be empty. They will drink everything that's in there. She's They were being a little sassy yesterday. I was up here waiting for Tori to hang out. And asked me to say goodbye. So I'm gonna go here. And they were just going
Oh, she got it. Look. She's like our dog. Plays with her food and then forget it.
But our dog eats foods and runs away.
good.
She's eating.
All day being grouchy. She was great this morning, but she's like,
It's a loud eater.
She's a loud eater.
she has more in there, but even just trying to like get her like to the iodine, she kicked that bucket so hard I thought she was break it in half. So, you know, like it makes it tough sometimes.
Go out.
No, but like
She's like,
because I figured at least like
look, you guys drinking a milkshake.
So
That one is
I
dripping.
already given her
Yeah,
the
like,
shot,
oh my goodness,
and
it's
I
gonna
had to
rip
go
that
back
right
over
off.
the barn and get, the other pumps.
I think he's trying to.
Something was wrong with that one too. Letting them their milk, those are all things that we can do.
Oh,
So
nice.
it limits when we actually
This one's
need
messy
a veterinarian.
That's great.
nose.
Do you take any of your cat